Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. And so here I am recording this on the evening of Thursday, September 26th, after Plug closed at a price of $2.06, being up a little over 5.5% on the day and continuing up a penny in the after hours. And so, yeah, I just wanted to follow up on the chart because the last time that I did a video on Plug was on September 17th, and I suggested that price could be going up to $2.50 or, right around $2.61, getting above this gap that had previously been filled. And, we kind of lost steam the day after that. On the 18th, we hit a high of $2.29 before, really kind of reversing and getting a bearish engulfing candle. And then following this big move down, we have been consolidating. So I wanted to put out, a pretty quick video on this because now, I don't think price is going to $2.50. And I actually think that what we are forming right now is a bear flag. While one could argue that this is an up move followed by consolidation, what I see here is a down move on the 19th when we came down, only about 2%, but we did have a downside move from the highs over there of about 10%, and then we have consolidated to the right just there. So yeah, I think this looks like this is a bear flag. I think I got a little bit ahead of myself putting out the video on the 17th because it looked really strong. Volume was picking up, but volume kind of picked up as we dropped, and then price has been consolidating. So, that to me looks like a bear flag. We have been holding above the 50% retracement over here. That's at like right around $1.95. But I could see price breaking lower. And so a couple levels to be paying attention to. I guess, 194.5, so that 50% level, we don't want to see closes below 194.5. But if we do, we've got the low here from September 20th at a price of $1.87. We don't want to see closes below that because that would suggest that, we are really starting to break down. It might be too late by then because at that point we'd be getting to around this golden pocket here. So the 65% retracement up to the 618. So that's a range from 184.2 up to 186.4. Also, with that is this orange level, which is 186. That was the pre-market low when the earnings were released on August 8th. And so, I think that those are some levels that we could be pulling back to, but I suspect we will break below those levels. And for me personally, the next dip buying level is the 786 here at $1.74.8 or right around $1.75. For me, I don't plan to add a lot to my position at that level, but I do plan to scoop up that dip if we do go down to 175. But if we do go down to 175, I think we could be coming down to, 164 over here. That's the 1618 from this retracement here, as we did pull back to that level here. And, so I am bracing for the possibility of that happening, but I could actually see us finding our footing at 175. Maybe we consolidate here for a while, like what LivePerson did. If you haven't seen that video, I'd check it out. It's pretty cool. Did just consolidate for a while before breaking out. So I think that one could be going a lot higher. And maybe we see something like that with Plug pulling down to 175, consolidating for 2 to 3 weeks, and then, forming a floor rather than a bear flag, and then breaking out to the upside to 232 to 261 and beyond. But first, I am bracing for 175. So I just wanted to put this out here for you guys because I don't think we're going to 250 just yet. I think we're going to be pulling back, and 175 is the next level that I am paying attention to, as I do think that this is a bear flag, and I think that buying the dip now, we're about to get rugged, and 175 I think is on the table. But before I say such bearish things, though, it is encouraging that we have been holding above $2 a share, getting a close at 206. So maybe that's good. Maybe I should be a little more optimistic. but I just see that this is a bear flag, and any up moves, I guess actually if we are to negate the bear flag thesis, what would negate that? The high that was hit on the 25th was at a price of $2.11. So that's really like the highest high that we have had since forming this bear flag. If we get a close above 211, I think that could negate the bear flag, and then we'd start to see some moves higher. But really, we need to see two closes above 211 because one close above could just be followed by a reversal, a big red candle like this one here. So, I say two closes above 211, and I feel more bullish. If we don't get that, I think we're going to 175. So, those are my thoughts. And if you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care, you guys.